look at all these fun things. Artwork is fabulous, and I can't wait to show you the special artwork about Spartanburg, so be sure and hang on. We're going to get to that. Well, hello everyone. I am Tami Allen, your realtor here in the Greenville, Spartanburg area of South Carolina. And I am standing here right in front of, this is Monster Mini Golf. It is so cool. We're right here in Spartanburg. So I wanted to show you inside. You've got to bring your kids over here. Actually, the adults are going to love this too. It is so well done. It's so much fun. Have birthday parties here, different events and gatherings. You're going to love it. Let's take a look inside. Let's get in here and check it out. Now, I have the privilege of being here by myself this morning with the owner, but when this thing is full, the kids are running everywhere, checking out. Look at all these fun things. Okay, everyone, we are hopping right into this golf maze, and it is amazing. You've got to check this out because there are so many surprises along the way, and you can see that the decorations are so well done. Be careful when you get close to some of these exhibits. They're going to surprise you. There are some surprises packed throughout this great venue. Now, of course, this is a full 18-hole golf course. Here is the 18th hole, and this is the way you'll end up. This really creepy clown, but I had a lot of fun hitting this one in here. And I win! Woohoo! Now, once you complete this awesome putt-putt course, which of course, this is your last hole right here. This is gonna be a challenge. Then we're gonna go to bowling. Would you believe they have bowling here as well? Let's check this out. Look at this. This is so cool. And here is a fun tip. The artwork in here, painted on the walls, is all about Spartanburg and the history of Spartanburg. So you got to check out the artwork to see what each one is all about. For those of you that may or may not know the history of Spartanburg, you're certainly probably going to recognize this. This artwork is about a famous organ here in Spartanburg. And of course, there's other artwork all about Spartanburg, but be sure and check out as you're heading out all of the prizes, all the goodies that you can turn in your tickets for. Of course, you've got this fantastic arcade up at the front. But I think one of the coolest features are these party rooms. Now, look at this. Oh my gosh. The decorations are spectacular, monsters galore, and it feels just like a creepy monster mansion, perfect for your next party. Here again are more of the arcade games, again, where you can win tickets and then take them over to redeem them for the prizes. If you're looking for the next fun outing, for family fun, for getting together with friends, just hanging out, Monster Mini Golf is going to be the place for you right here on the east side of Spartanburg. Well, as you can see, that is a place where you could have so much fun. This is Monster Mini Golf. It's right here in Spartanburg. We're on the east side of Spartanburg. Your kids and you are going to love this. Get over here as soon as you can. You're going to have a great time. It's a great family outing, and you'll enjoy it. I can't wait to see you living in Greenville and Spartanburg, South Carolina.